Dear customer, if you're watching this, you are probably the proud owner of a cooking pot made out of porcelain by Eschenbach. The good thing about this is you can use it with an induction field. You can put it on an induction field. You can put it on an electrostatic field. You can put it into the oven. You can put it into the freezer, in the fridge, and you can put it into a microwave. If you want to have a lifelong and beautiful relationship with your cooking pot, it is important that you note some very important things. This is not a frying pan. So if you just fry things in it, chances are high that it just gets heated and breaks. So brace yourselves. This is what happens when you put the cooking pot on the induction without liquid. So whenever you're using your cooking pot, it is important that you always put some water or some other liquid into the pot. Only a small amount of water is necessary, but it is vital that you use some water. The pot is available in different sizes and in different colors. But you're wondering, what can I actually use my pot for? You can use it to cook soup, mashed potatoes, awesome noodles. You can cook some stew in it. You can put a pie in the oven. You can put a chocolate cake in the oven. The possibilities using this cooking pot are very wide. Once you're finished with your dinner, it is easy to clean. You can put it in your sink or you can put it in your dishwasher and it will be good as new. The pots are easy to handle and easy to store. Just put them into each other and put them into the cupboard. So Eschenbach hopes you have a lot of fun with your cooking pot and happy cooking.